Welcome to our tutorial about section view. First, I'm going to select the section view tool. Now we'll select a view. After, let's find the center point and create a line. Right-click, Continue. Here's the section view dialog window. In this dialog window, we're able to change the scale and select full depth or distance. We can also change the style. When I'm done, click OK. Let's drag the view up a little bit. And let's edit the position of the section line. Double-click on the sketch. Show constraints. Let's select this. Now right-click and Done. And right-click, Delete. Let's also delete the last constraint. Now when I exit the sketch, the view will update automatically. In order to edit the hatch pattern, right-click, Edit. Here we can change the pattern standard. Select Double, change the color, and so on. Let's cancel out of this tool. Now let's right-click on the section view and select Delete. I want to create another section view. I'll select this view again. Find the center of the circle. And let's create two lines. Right-click, Continue. Once again, we can select the desired feature and click OK. Let's move this view a little bit. By the way, to hide the hatch pattern, simply right-click and select Hide. Let's undo that. And this concludes our tutorial about section view.